Introducing your new claim payment solution, InsureCard. Your company is implementing the InsureCard prepaid card to pay workers' compensation indemnity payments to claimants.
The InsureCard MasterCard prepaid card program is designed for payment of insurance claims and includes a customized customer service website where the claimant can view transactions and balances real-time, and a dedicated U.S.-based call center to answer questions about the card 24/7. The payment process integrates with your claim system and follows the workflow process you use now. Instead of sending a check, when a payment is made in your claim system, an electronic data file is sent to the card processor to initiate or reload the card. During this video, you will learn about the MasterCard payment card product and its many benefits versus the check in the mail. You will also hear a tested and legally approved way to present the MasterCard prepaid card option to the claimant. We will show you the new debit card option in your claim system, give you answers to the questions claimants commonly ask, and reference resources for both the claimant and you. First, let's review how it all works. Remember that the adjuster controls the process. Each payment is initiated by an adjuster action or a claim system diary. A card account is established in the injured worker's name, FDIC insured. Subsequent payments are like direct deposits. The claimant activates and uses the card. When the claim closes, the account stays open while in use. Statistics are fed back to the insurer for system and accounting use. Now, let's talk about offering the card.
When you're talking to the customer and you get to the point where you would tell them you're sending them out a check, instead say this: "We'll be sending you a MasterCard prepaid card for your payments. Would that be okay?" The question's been reviewed and approved, so it should be said just that way. Let's try it again. "We'll be sending you a MasterCard prepaid card for your payments. Would that be okay?" If the customer says yes, your life just got a whole lot easier. As an adjuster, the benefits of paying claimants by card are clear, and InsureCard payments are integrated with your company's existing claim system, so it's easy to use with little change to the way you pay claims today. Here's an example of the payment card entry screen in Epic for an initial payment. At the Method of Payment drop-down, select Payment Card when issuing an injured employee an initial payment card. At the Billed Amount field, enter $0. At the Transaction drop-down, select Payment Code MU1, Payment Card Initialization, 0 Payment. At the Delivery Type drop-down, select External. Note that upon enabling the payment card in Epic, you will need to issue the upcoming payment as a check. Within days, the injured worker will receive the check and the payment card with an initial balance of $0. Subsequently, issued payments will be loaded onto the payment card. And since InsureCard payments are delivered exactly when due, there are no more "where's my check" calls.
The benefits of InsureCard are just as straightforward for the claimants. When they ask about the new program, you can tell them that they'll be receiving a debit card in the mail and will be able to access funds immediately. No more waiting for a check in the mail or for a check to clear. They get payments faster and easier. Because there are no longer checks, there are no trips to the bank or check cashing store, no check cashing fees, and no waiting to access their funds. And all future payments are deposited onto the same card. With InsureCard's prepaid card, payments are delivered to the claimant on time and their funds are available immediately. They can walk into any ATM that accepts MasterCard and walk out with cash. And they can use the card to make purchases at any merchant that accepts MasterCard debit cards. It's simple and easy. If their card is lost or stolen, the claimant simply contacts the bank. The bank protects their funds and sends the claimant a replacement card. There's no need for the adjuster to get involved. So let's review what was covered. InsureCard replaces checks as a method of paying workers' compensation benefits. The best method of offering InsureCard to a claimant while on the phone is to say, "We'll be sending you a MasterCard prepaid card for your payments. Would that be okay?" Adjusters will see little change in the way they currently pay claims, and paying claimants by card will eliminate many check-related phone calls, leaving time for more productive work. Payments go out exactly when due. Claimants receive their personalized card in the mail and are able to access funds immediately. No trip to the bank, no check cashing fees, and no waiting to access their payment. And all their future payments will be deposited on the same card.
You may get a few questions about the program from claimants, and here are answers to the most common ones. How does the cardholder get money from the card? You just heard how the claimant can use the card and many sources available to get money from the card. ATMs, points of sale, banks. The ease of use of cardholder website makes this very convenient for your claimant.
How can the cardholder get cash without paying any fees? The cardholder can avoid fees by asking for cash back when they make a purchase with the merchant, and in all states, one ATM withdrawal per payment from a MoneyPass ATM and one withdrawal per payment from a bank teller are free. Texas, California, and Hawaii have requirements for additional cardholder free ATM withdrawals from MoneyPass banks.
What is the difference between this prepaid card for workers' compensation payments and a traditional bank account debit card? This prepaid debit card differs from bank account debit cards in two ways. Funds can't be added to the card except by the workers' compensation company, and the cardholder can't write a check on the card funds. What is the difference between the prepaid card and a gift card? The most important difference is that if the card is lost or stolen, the funds can be restored because the card is registered to the individual.
And what if the card is lost, stolen, or damaged? Call the 24/7 customer service number 1-800-608-5970, which is shown on the card and the cardholder material.
Adjusters can refer the claimant to the cardholder customer service for all questions related to the card, including balances, transactions, PINs, and card mishaps. This provides great service to your claimant and saves you time.
And the cardholder website allows the claimant to view balances and activity, transfer funds, and view monthly statements. The insurer is not able to see this information. If you need additional information, you can contact one of your employer's liaisons.
Hello, this is Barry Vogt, Chief Claims Officer with Employers. I'm talking to you today about an exciting new service we'll be rolling out shortly together with our partners InsureCard for the electronic payment of indemnity benefits using a debit card. There are a number of benefits of this new service, including no more lost checks requiring stop pay and reissue. No more "where's my check" phone calls. It eliminates the check cashing fees claimants without bank accounts pay to cash their checks. It's a much more efficient process with a lower cost to us versus issuing indemnity benefits via check. There's also a significant competitive advantage as this is a very new service in the work comp space. It also provides improved customer experience overall. It does require a little bit of effort on the part of the adjuster to set the claimant up for debit card payments, but I'm sure you'll agree that the effort is well worth it. Thank you for your support of this important new initiative.
InsureCard is a simple but important change in the way we pay our claims now. When the customer accepts the InsureCard, they get their money quicker, it's safer, and much less of a hassle.
InsureCard is your new and better way to pay claims. Thank you for using InsureCard.